Okay. I get a lot of fucking aims to my niggas wanna battle me and shit, right? I just take look how skinny I am, cuz. Skinny nigga. Skinny nigga. Skinny nigga. Only if I was tatted. Whoa! Look out. But anyway, niggas wanna battle me. About to rap this shit out. Listen, here we go. Listen to this shit. I am a G, you know me. Call me D-double-R to the motherfucking C. I'm Dre C. Jones, and that's what it is. If your ass step up, you gon' get the biz. Cause I do what I do, and I do it cause I can. Your bitch like ham, well I give her some spam. And you know she wanna fuck with a king like me. But I tell her ass back up, you a peasant, baby. Hey, you can't get with a nigga like me unless you got a fucking credit card and ID. Cause I like with them older bitches, and I don't even fuck with them fucking snitches. Ooh, you know you wanna get me? I got niggas that's fuck with the filthies, and if you filthy, you could be my nigga, cause you know I got goons. Nigga, pull a trigger with me. I'm triggered with the Glock, and you know I got shit on. You know I'm real high, but I don't even fuck. You know I'm horning. Hey, I wake up in the morning looking like this. You know that's a step, and you know a kid like me always stay fresh from the shoes to the top. You know that's a fact, and I got a lot of crop hanging under my hat. Bitch, I put it on. I do what I do, and I rap, bitch, cause I know I can't fool. And if you wanna hate and diss me, bitch, well just come on and beat me, bitch. Ha! Murder, nigga. And that shit was nothing. That was just some petty shit, nigga. Petty shit. That shit sucked, nigga. Compared to what I can do, nigga. Come on now. Aim me, nigga. Nigga.